It's exciting. It's an exciting step in towards, the future of South African relays. Creating a culture of relays in South Africa, and I'm really excited to be part of one of the first group to actually do this, and just being able to say, like ASA is actually falling into this plan that we have. SASCOC is falling into the plan that we have, and they are seeing the vision. They are seeing the vision of not just 2020, but 2021 when we go to World Champs, Commonwealth Games, the next World Champs, the next Olympics, and that for us it's like you're leaving kind of a legacy in the sense of this is something that we all starting together, and we all have the power to change so many people's views on athletics, so many people's views on just relay as well, and that kind of brings that team aspect into an individual sport, and we as a South African country, we are so focused on team sports, and now we have an opportunity to grab the attention of people that are interested in team sports into a sense of, we have a relay, we're actually working on the relay with the camp. We're trying to get better. We're trying to make sure that when we go to Olympics, when we go to the World Champs, when we go to Commonwealth Games, we are prepared and not training 2 weeks before and going and run. We are prepared. We're starting 6 months before, 5 months before, and that's a good step forward.
Hey.